2,000 years later.
Oh man, what's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm not in my car, I am in Mr. Sammy's car. Oh man, I gotta get used to this clutch.
Yeah.
Say hello, Mr. Sammy.
What up?
So my boy Sammy went stage 2, and you got the what downpipe was it?
Miltech full.
Miltech full turbo back on this, which made it a little bit louder, and he was able to go stage 2 on this. So I was actually pretty excited when he let me know, because now I can rip it a little bit.
Yeah.
What I find the weirdest though is because I've been driving my stage 3 clutch, this feels like I'm not doing anything, but it's engaging. So it's so
better
weird.
Engage.
It's actually doing some work here. I know I didn't feel this power before. Like
yeah.
I'm only like part throttle, like driving normal, and it actually feels a lot stronger. So what brand is this?
What, Pro Tune?
Yeah, what Pro Tune is this? I don't even know.
It's supposed to be like Eurodyne Pro Tune.
Oh, okay.
So it's a custom map though. So.
Oh, all right. So you got a Pro Tune. Very nice.
This is all custom, and it pulls. I'll tell you that much.
So what kind of power are you supposed to be putting out right now?
I'm not sure on the numbers yet, because you know how it is. So I'd rather just dyno tune it when I get the clutch.
Yeah.
I go on the dyno and it's like, yeah, you're like 100 pounds under. I mean,
I know.
Under.
All right, let's see. Let's give it a little pull here.
What I told you.
Feels good. What's that whistle?
That's the intake, how it spills up.
Oh, okay.
So it's like sucking so much air.
That's bananas. It's like, let's give this lady over here a little run.
You see the boost peak or?
No, I wasn't even looking, man, to tell you the truth. I was just kind of worried about my camera falling off.
So I told him, that's the first thing I said, your camera's gonna fly off. He's like, nah, that's good.
Yeah, I usually leave it on the dash.
Oh, and you hold on. He's not even pushing it right. Let me press the button. Now he's gonna feel it. There you go.
Oh, we got. Sorry, we got
there
ECS
you go.
It's hot today in New York, man. It's like 60 something degrees. The city is like 70, right? Now, how's your miles per gallon?
Pretty good.
22 miles per gallon since we've been driving.
It probably does, but since I've been like, I'm not gonna lie, I've been opening it up a little bit, so.
We got about 23, which isn't terrible. I can't keep the camera on the dash.
I gotta hold it.
It does pull nice though, but it feels good, man. It like pulls nice.
It shit feels.
I was like so worried about my camera instead.
I'll hold it this time so you
can
get a decent pull.
There you go. So you got to see about the frame and everything.
Mind you, guys,
nice.
we're driving to Mexico, so.
Yeah, no. They got We Buy Gold. See, that's where all the cartels hangs out.
Yeah, it's a Mexican spot right there.
Mexican cartel.
The liquor store right next to it. You say?
Yep, this is all Mexico. They just have everything in English because it's a very Americanized Mexico
this
town.
is the tourist part, you know.
Yep. And that used to be a tequila store, but then there's a shortage now, so.
See? So, back to the pool.
Feels good! Everything always feels faster from the passenger side, right?
Yeah, it does.
No, this feels good, man.
I was like, mind you, this is the only guy I trust driving my car, really.
That's because he taught me.
Yeah.
Definitely picks up a lot. You can see the peak, like the boost peak around like 4,000.
Yeah.
I haven't been watching the boost meter too much because it's kind of a little bit of traffic here. I hit 18 pounds there, and that was a simple pull. I wasn't even flooring it. That was right partial throttle. You know what you're gonna need? I'll tell you right now, brakes.
I know, I feel it already.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get upgraded brakes later.
Yeah, you're gonna need brakes. Do you have upgraded rotors right now?
Yeah, I do.
You do, right? So
and the brake pads are good, so.
Just get some stop tech, bro. That'd be good.
But
I'm gonna actually look up what this car does, stage 2 for most tunes, and like average it out. I'll put it up here somewhere. Sammy will be getting on the dyno with me when I do. Also, JR14 is going to get on the dyno with us as soon as he goes through all his stuff. Yeah, so that should be coming up soon. I don't know when Sammy's planning on doing a dyno, but I'm probably going to do the dyno on the JB4 by itself. And then we have some future things coming down, and then that's when he'll do the dyno with us.
I might do it on when I get that clutch. Because everybody says this clutch is going to wind up slipping, but for now it's holding the tune good, and I have no complaints so far. So I'm going to have money on the side just in case the clutch actually slips. So this way I could go.
Have you tried running like 4th gear?
Yeah.
That's usually when it, like, whenever I downshifted from like 5th to 4th and like revved it out a little bit, that's usually when it slipped for me.
But so, for me, everything is pulling good so far.
That's good, man. No, it feels good. It feels strong. It's just, you know, obviously I'm used to like that stiffness now because I've been driving it for like a week.
Yeah, I know.
So it's so different. But yo, congrats, bro.
Thank you.
Your car feels good, man. Yeah, this is definitely a different beast than you know the first time I drove it.
And how's the sound?
The sound, yeah, it's that exhaust. Like it's loud in all the right places, which is good. You know, this car must be very comfortable to drive on the parkway.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's nice and quiet. Mine actually, like, it gets pretty loud. So I don't know what I'm gonna do exactly yet, but
my whole thing is I didn't want an obnoxious sound, and we live in New York.
Of course.
You don't want to get pulled over for exhaust, even though they're not that strict with exhaust tickets no more.
Yeah.
But it's just another reason for them to pull you over. So.
Yeah, definitely don't want that. This is a Miltech, and he pretty much stole this damn thing.
Yeah.
It was like, what, $350 for a whole turbo bag?
Full exhaust system.
Full exhaust system. Full turbo bag.
One of the guys that I bought it from, his friend actually totaled his car, so he didn't even put it on his car. And from there, I bought it from him. I was like, He's like, I just got a line around. I was like, how much? $350? Can you bring it today?
I would have jumped on it too. And it actually sounds good. And if you ever want to make it louder later on, you could always just take out one of the resonators, right? Yeah. So it actually sounds good. It's nice and quiet. All right, so that was just a quick review for you guys. Sammy's new Stage 2 Mark V. Definitely feels good. We got a lot planned for this car and my car as well, so make sure you guys stay tuned for more future videos.
Oh, should we tell them about the other shit we ordered? Well, that I ordered?
Shh. We did go ham on ECS not long ago.
On a couple of parts.
Couple of things. So stay tuned for a lot more to come, guys. We'll have a DIY video for you guys on Friday. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.